Welcome back, guys. This is Cosmo, and this is what we make it every day. I give you two important stories about the market and crypto. If you enjoy information like this, please consider commenting, subscribing. Story number one, the Fed have decided to keep rates the same. I know I've talked about this in a previous video. However, they do speculate that there will be 2 rate hikes before the end of the year. That is what the consensus is. So we shall see. We need to keep a close eye on that. If Feds decide to raise rates, that could definitely affect the market and crypto. So we'll keep an eye on that. We're also seeing chips take a major hit. Micron still going down. SanDisk had a big pullback. AMD, Intel, all the major tech companies had a huge pullback today. Largely due to, they're spending money, they're beating their revenue on their guidance, but is that revenue generating profits? They're spending more than they're making. So we shall see. Is the AI bubble just another dot-com bubble? We shall see. 80% of the companies during the dot-com era back in the year 2000 went to zero. So Amazon lost 80% of its value during the dot-com bubble. The best way to protect yourself is to continue the dollar cost average. Also, stories number 2, I have 2 stocks that I've been taking a look at. One is T3, ticker symbol DFNS. This company I actually looked at earlier and yesterday morning at about 5 a.m. and it was sitting at $13 a share, and I did not pull the trigger, and I am kicking myself because it jumped over 100% later on that day. However, analysts say this stock still has a lot more room to run, so we'll see what happens. It's a defense stock, and it just received a federal contract, so we'll keep an eye on that. Again, do not do what I do, you will lose money. The second stock that I'm looking at is another biotech, OPKO Health. Analysts have this going up to about $10-15 a share. It is currently sitting at $164. They just had their Q2 earnings, and they beat and raised their 2026 revenue guidance. So they jumped about 18%, and they're currently sitting at 32% up for the day. So those 2 stocks we're definitely going to keep an eye out. So there's your information. And again, thank you for watching.